Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhuri. As you all know, I love writing poems. Today I am going to share my poem on the positive effects of lockdown on nature. This is a requested video. One of my subscribers, Mr. Manav Dhadiwal, requested me to make a poem on this topic. I tried my best. Hope you will like the poem. Thanks Manav for the topic. So let's start the poem. There are many positive effects of the lockdown here. Many changes in nature strongly did appear. The nature looks like to enjoy our absence. Birds and animals are enjoying their existence. We gave our control to the nature, to the scared, hiding creatures. From clean water in Venice and blue skies in Delhi, no traffic around and no streets smelly. We now can see this clean earth. This lockdown is really well worth. The pollution reduced, now the air is clean. We'll get oxygen by the woods and greens as motorway is clear and the factories close. No air and water pollution I suppose. We spend millions to clean the rivers, but still we dump our waste in the sewers. Now the nature has abolished the waste we throw. The rivers are clean, now we know. The ozone layer is finally healing. Better than before, now we are feeling. The animals are free to move. The environment just did improve. So this lockdown is very useful and the surroundings are quite peaceful. Lockdown is changing all the place because we just emptied the space. Thank you. Please comment if you like the poem. Thanks all my subscribers for your love and support. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान, न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. बाय.